Ramadan is not dangerous, but your mistakes in it are. Every year, people enter Ramadan full of motivation. They make plans. They promise change. They say, this year will be different. But then the days pass, and they leave Ramadan exactly the same. If you want this Ramadan to actually change you, there are things you need to watch out for, or else you'll regret it. First, watch out for wasting time. Ramadan nights are powerful. They're filled with opportunity. But if your screen time goes up instead of your worship time, you're being distracted. Endless scrolling, binge watching, gaming for hours. You tell yourself you'll pray later. You'll read Quran later. You'll make dua later. But later never comes. Time in Ramadan moves fast, and once it's gone, you can't get it back. Second, watch out for your anger. Fasting doesn't just mean staying away from food, it means controlling your tongue and your reactions. If you're yelling at your family, arguing online, being rude because you're hungry, you're not protecting your fast. Ramadan is training your self-control. Don't let one moment of anger erase hours of effort. Third, watch out for missing your prayers. Late nights, heavy iftar, sleeping through alarms, and suddenly Fajr is gone. Then you delay Dhuhr. Then you say, I'm just tired. Ramadan is not meant to weaken your prayer. It's meant to strengthen it. Protect your Salah like it's the foundation of your Ramadan, because it is. Fourth, watch out for showing off, posting every good deed, every prayer, every act of charity. Ask yourself honestly, would I still do this if nobody knew? Ramadan is between you and Allah. Don't let attention steal your sincerity. And finally, watch out for this thought. I'll fix it next year. You don't know that. None of us are promised another Ramadan. This one could be your opportunity, or your regret. So don't just fast. Be intentional. Make a simple plan. Guard your tongue. Reduce distractions. Pray on time. Read even a little Quran every day. Ramadan isn't about being perfect. It's about being sincere. Watch out. Stay focused. And don't let this month pass like the others, because hunger lasts a few hours, but regret can last forever.